Hi viewers, today we will learn that how to change the highlighted cursor from normal to the highlighted and again change from highlighted to the normal one. So first we will have to look at that. First we have to download the highlighted cursors, and where we have to download it from the Google. And here I have opened the highlighted cursors, and you can go. It is a simple website. So we have to type only Windows highlighted cursors. So here is the website highlighted. These are the highlighted cursors. Actually it is a website where you can find icons, cursors, tags, uh, authors and cursors. We have to we need the highlighted cursors, and we can search here the highlighted cursors, search, and here you go, window 10 highlighted, window highlighted cursors, and here you can download all the cursors combination. And below you are seeing that here you are individually you can download here, like I press, so here it is downloaded here, so it is again downloaded. You can download again here, so here, and collectively you can download a zip file from this. And when you click on the download, it will download it at a zip file, and I have downloaded it already. I will see where it is placed, and here highlighted cursors. Here when you click on the website download option, you will get this file with highlighted. And when you unzip it, sorry, when you extract here, you will find these cursors, sorry, these highlighted cursors. And now these are the highlighted cursors, and our aim is to change it. We have need this kind of cursor that now we are showing. So simple is that we have to uh, go to C drive, Windows, and cursors. Where are the cursors? Here cursors are present. Cursors, and you see that I have I have pasted all the cursors here that I have downloaded from the website. You are seeing here, these are. And when you will first paste here, uh, these cursors will be absent, and you have to paste it here. and here you see that now the cursor becomes highlighted. So it is an easy way to highlight the cursor.